find it reprehensible.
Sure, I'm going to return to the genocide that's taken place in Palestine. And you said that the problem is Israel is riding roughshod over the world. Well, that's not entirely accurate, because Europe, and most of Europe, is behind Israel. America is certainly behind Israel. And in practical terms, despite the very good words that you've used and describing what has happened lately as a war crime, we're still failing to take action. And now more than ever, we need to show leadership. We cannot say that we're the best boys in the class if we're allowing the Shannon Airport to be used, if we're failing to pass the Occupied Territories Bill, if we're still trading with Israel through our European bloc, and so on. It is not possible to stand on both sides, Taoiseach. And notwithstanding the good things that you have done, we need now more than ever to take action where the UN itself is in serious danger because of the complete diminution of its importance by Israel and America.
Again, I would say that Ireland has shown leadership on this. No big deal about it. We've done what is right and the right thing to do. And we work with like-minded states in the European Union. We consistently do that. We've issued a joint statement with Luxembourg, Iceland, Norway, Slovenia and Spain, countries we've worked with for quite some time on this issue, and with the Arab nations also, and with UN agencies, and with the European Union, notwithstanding that some member states of Europe have been supportive of Israel. Although the European Union still remains the biggest single donor to Palestinians, both in the West Bank through the Palestinian Authority and to Palestinians more generally. That rarely gets said, but that is it.